Okay, in addition to knowing how a diode works, it's important to understand how they're used. In general, diodes are used in two ways. We're going to use them for arc suppression by installing them in reverse bias across a coil. And that reverse bias diode prevents this switch from arcing. Nothing out here gets protected. This diode does not protect this. This diode protects this. So this switch will arc if this diode fails. If it fails open, the switch will arc. If it fails shorted, the fuse will blow. Okay? So here's how that works. If we assume current is flowing this way, which is perfectly okay with me, I don't really care which direction you think current flows, because quite frankly it doesn't matter. So if current's flowing this way, most people already understand that current cannot flow this way because the diode is blocking. So when the coil is doing the coil's thing, moving air to open a door or moving air to raise a bus for the annealing system, then that coil is storing energy, and when you turn the coil off, pop, you get an arc. Well, that's only if you don't have the diode. So if current is flowing this way in order to move air to raise the bus when the annealing system is turned off, then this coil is storing energy and this diode is blocking. Well, as soon as we open this switch, whether it's the ECM or whether it's a switch, as soon as the switch is opened, this energy has to go somewhere. And if we don't have the diode, this energy is going to go all the way around here and come all the way back and come all the way over here and arc that switch and destroy it. So if you were constantly replacing switches or relays because of burned contacts, it is not because of the switch or the relay with burned contacts. It's more than likely, if it's a solenoid being controlled, it's more than likely that diode has failed. So that diode failing is either going to cause this switch to arc or this fuse to blow. So a blown solenoid fuse or a burned up solenoid switch is probably not those, it's probably this. Well, when the field collapses, the diode short circuits the coil. So instead of coming all the way around here and coming all the way back here and going zap, this energy now goes this way and it stays home. And it just dissipates and goes boop, and the arc goes away. This diode suppresses the arc from this coil, which destroys this switch. So any circuit problem that is in a circuit controlling a coil of any kind, if there is a diode, check it first.